Star Transport's been a carrier since 1999. Today we're running about 80 plus trailers and 70 plus power equipment on our petroleum side, north of 200 and some employees. We do business mainly in the Midwest, from Houston to Colorado to St. Louis, all points in Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, Arkansas. This year we're on a 2 billion gallon plus delivery goals, and I think we'll hit those goals quite easily. So we don't have a lot of trucks, but we're pretty efficient. We have a lot of business, and we seem to attract some of the better people, and our customer base is solid. We've never been fired by a customer, from Quick Trip to Kroger's to Circle K to a lot of independent jobbers to a big array of customers that have high demands that we seem to be able to meet every day. Trying to eliminate cross dumps when you look at gas on diesel or diesel on gas is an industry problem system-wide. Years ago, the cost of taking care of a cross dump was not significant. Today, it is significant.
My name's Kevin Youngstrom. I've been with Star for 10 years. Cross-contamination costs the company a lot of money. It cost me a little bit of money and time, because you have to get it back out of the ground, damage to vehicles. There's a lot involved if you make a mistake.
Civacon came to us a few years ago and asked what are some of our things that we would like to change or do or improve on. And so when they came to us and asked us what we needed, we were quite excited to hear that they have chosen to take on this cross-dump technology problem. And they started developing a system. We were lucky to be active in that in the early stages. We've been beta testing these systems on a couple of trailers here in the Kansas City market for about 2 years. We've gone through several different cycles, upgrades, improvements. All of them have been plus. With the COP system, what we've effectively done is once you tag the stores and you have the COP system on your truck, there is a communication between the tank and the tanker. And it almost eliminates the driver making a mistake. It will not allow the flow of product to enter into the tank if those two tags cannot communicate to each other.
The Civacon system works off that they put a tag in the drop bucket to identify what that product is in the ground. You put a drop head that has a reader on it that reads that tag, transmits that information back to the trailer. And the trailer identifies that that drop head is on a no lead or a diesel tank. And then you hook your drop hoses, and it will not allow you to pull or open any other tank except for the right one.
It just allows you to think before you drop. It doesn't let you make a mistake. I mean, it makes you slow down and think about things before you just go at it.
As a driver, having the Civacon system on my truck makes me feel more confident that I'll be able to do my job correctly, which benefits me and my company.
We've always been a very safe carrier, always been able to attract good people. We've always had high quality equipment, and adding the COP system to our trailers or ordering new trailers with the COP system on it is just one more of those steps that make us stronger. It makes us better than everybody else in the industry. We see nothing but upside on this system.